Yeah. All right, here we go. Option B. So graphing absolute value functions, option B, you're not creating a table. Okay. With option B, you are not creating a table. You're still gonna have to identify your H and your K. So we're still identifying H and K because that is our vertex. Remember, your X is a liar. Okay, so your H is not what it is. All right. Then you're gonna plot that point first. Okay. So you find your vertex, you plot it on the graph. Next, we're going to look at our A value. So now your A plays a role. We're looking at A. A tells us the slope of our lines, okay? So on your right side, your A, whatever A is, equals your slope, okay? A equals your slope. M is for slope, right? Remember that from Algebra 1? M mathematically stands for slope. Y equals mx plus b. Ringing some bells? Yeah, All right, so A equals our slope. Your slope, that's rise over run or fall over crawl, all those things. Yes? All right. Your left side is going to be the opposite. Mathematically, to represent opposite, we write negative. So it's going to be your negative A is going to equal the slope of your left side. So the right side is whatever A is. The left side is going to be the opposite of what A is. So right side, whatever A is, left side is whatever the opposite, which just means we're multiplying by -1. Then we're going to state the domain, the range, axis of symmetry, and intercepts.
Wait, what is the A again?
A, the arrow right here, the number outside of your absolute value, the number in front that's being multiplied. Okay. All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
What are you writing down? Most of it's written for you. Okay, here we go. So we're going to identify our parts. So up first, A equals -1. Agreed? Okay, next, H equals 2. Agreed?
Yeah.
And K, no, X is a liar.
Oh gosh.
And K equals 4. So we identify. It's going to always be whatever the opposite is. Yes? I haven't lost anybody. We're all on the boat. We can all identify. All right, our vertex. Your vertex is H, comma, your K. So what is our vertex?
Oh, it's 2,4.
2, comma, 4. Look at that.
I feel like I'm in kindergarten with the freaking learning my ABC.
Okay.
Wait, don't go too fast. You're going a little too fast.
We've only written a few less than 10 characters. I can't go any slower than this. Okay. Your right side is your A. Okay. Your right side is your A. And so our A, that's going to tell us the slope of our right side. What does A equal? -1. So that -1 tells me I'm going to go down 1 and right 1.
Okay, now this.
Because that's slope. You learn slope.
This ain't gonna cut me.
All right. Your left side is -A.
Down one, right?
Yes, that's going to tell you your slope of your left side. So that equals negative times our A. What is our A? A negative times a negative is a positive. Yes? So again, this time though, I'm going to go down 1, but instead of going to the right, I'm going to the left. That's because a negative divided by a negative makes a positive. Are we ready to graph our function now?
No.
Ready, set, go. Here we go. We're going to go to 2, 4. That's my vertex. Yes? To find the right side, I'm going to go down 1 and right 1 because my slope was -1. So we go down, right, down, right, down, right.
I can't go.
Bless you. Now we're going to do the left side. The left side is going to be the opposite of the right side. So we're going down, left, down, left, down, left, down, left, down, left, down, left, down. It's a V, upside down or right side up, because it's absolute value, and it's going to always be a There's no V in YMCA.
You know what I'm
I
talking
just don't know.
The axis to make the Y, so it is a Y. Yeah.
Okay, whatever you gotta tell yourself.
Wait, we have C. Yeah.
Here we go. Anyways, moving on. So therefore, our axis of symmetry is here. It goes through
My teacher called me special.
2. So our axis of symmetry is at x equal 2. How did you feel about graphing? Okay. All right. Now we're going to describe the attributes of the graph.
The domain is all real numbers.
The domain is all real numbers. Good job. That means it goes forever to the left and forever to the right. Okay. Your range now,
It's 1 over 1. Wait, why is that an R right there?
that stands for all real numbers.
It's 4 negative.
Okay. Your range depends on whether you have a max or a, in this case, what do we have?
A Y equals 4.
A max, right? So we have a max. So instead of being y greater than, y is going to be less than. And what is our max value? 4. So y is less than or equal to 4. That means we go from negative infinity and we have to stop at 4. If it's max, is your range is gonna be less than. If it's a min, it's gonna be. All right. Our y-intercept. Where's our y-intercept? At 0, 2. That's where we cross the y-axis. Where are our x-intercepts?
2, negative 2, 0.
Okay. Where's my other x-intercept? Even though I don't see it.
It's gonna be 5, comma.
It's 6, 0.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. If you can't see it, that's where your axis of symmetry comes in handy, right? So my axis of symmetry means that these have to be the same distance. So if one is 4 units to the left, where's the other one gonna be? 4 units to the right. So that's why my x-intercept is at 6, 0. That is it. Your turn to do example D. Yes. Really don't. Yes. Okay. Your turn. Go. I will not talk to you or help you. I want you to talk to each other.
Oh, it's over that.
Okay.
I lost my favorite highlighter.
I'm sorry.
No. Oh, never mind. Sorry, it's right here.
All right. You're doing example D at your table. Talk to each other. Help each other.
All right. It's a lot easier than that.
Hey, right.
What is that? It's the same thing, bro. Oh.
All right.
Identify your A to your K. Your A to your K. A to negative 2. Negative 2.
Yeah. It's an inside joke.
Extra liars. Mother exit. Cable partners.
Oh. But then you
Cable partners. Up one right. Get down to right.
No, this person. All of it. The negative 8. Yeah, and the 8 is 2. Be negative 2. I said, yeah. Yeah.
It would be. Right.
No, down is right.
Up to. It will be up to 1 to the left. The other one is up to 1 to the right.
Oh, no.
See, y'all done that. Which one, bro? You don't even know. No, which one? Look. Move. Look, you go up, and you go one to the right. You go up. Okay, wait. You can both figure it out. Nah, see, figure it out. Nah. I think so. Up to the right. Well, I'm
Whatever
Don't worry.
whatever.
Yeah. Oh, so, yes. There's solving the problem.
All right, guys, 30 seconds before we go over it.
What?
That means that we're gonna go up, right?
Hey, I think I figured it out. Okay. Randy, what do you, okay.
All right, here we go.
You want to go back? Hold on, let me keep.
Thank you.
You're gonna actually lower my variable.
Oh, that's my birthday.
All right, what's my A?
Michelle.
Oh, I wrote it.
My A
It's
is
over
2.
here.
No.
It's still negative to positive.
Mhm.
So it would be.
So my A is what? What's my H? -3. And my K is 1. Okay, it's just what it is, right? Only your X's lie to you, okay? All right, my vertex.
-3, 1.
Good job. What is the slope of my right side?
Right, 1.
Good. What is the slope of my left?
Negative.
There we go. Gonna go down. Oh. I didn't mean to write down. You saw nothing. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna graph. So I go to -3, go to 1. I'm gonna go up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1. Now I'm gonna go up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. Pretend that I went through those points. Okay? If it didn't make a V, that was your sign you did something wrong. Okay? What's my domain? It's gonna always be what? All real numbers. My range this time, do I have a max or a min? I have a min. So that means Y is what? Y is my 3 negative. Your X is always the opposite of what it looks like. So that means we start at 1 and we continue to infinity and beyond. Okay, my Y-intercept. Did anyone find it? It's what? Good job. If you cannot see your Y-intercept, that means you have to solve for your Y-intercept. To solve for your Y-intercept, we let X equal 0. So I plug in 0, we get 0 plus 3. Make your Y-intercept, sorry.
No, I know that.
Yeah, there's no X-intercept. All right, 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is. So our Y-intercept is at 0, 7. And then will I ever cross the X-axis? No, so NA, not applicable.
And we're done with those notes.
Okay? The rest of the period, you're gonna work on the 3A, I said 3A, 2A.3 assignment that you picked up yesterday. I know, my weird print, do whatever you want to do to get it in the paper. Okay? All right? Why is there no x-intercept? Because I'll never cross the x-axis if I'm going up forever.